If you guys can get this video up to 400 likes in the first 24 hours, I'm gonna do a trade-up series where I trade a pair of Air Force Ones all the way up to a pair of Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 lows. And then I'm going to give away the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 lows here on the channel. Make sure you guys run up those likes, hit that thumbs up. 400 likes, 24 hours, go. Hit that thumbs up. I regret not buying this pair of Air Jordan 4s when the prices were lower because this Air Jordan 4 has skyrocketed in price. Free Union 4 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, give me a follow on Instagram, and comment down below your size in Union 4s. This giveaway is gonna run for a few weeks here on the channel. Good luck, Union 4 giveaway. I buy a lot of sneakers, but I don't touch everything. I do not buy everything, and this pair of Air Jordan 4s, I messed up. I regret not buying big time. This Jordan 4 sold out extremely fast, had a lot of hype, a lot of demand. Resale was already crazy high, but has only went even skyrocket higher. I regret not buying this Jordan 4. Let's talk about it. Sneakerheads, I want to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes the best, affordable, high-quality travel bags for sneakerheads when you travel. Sole Premise has backpacks, duffel bags, all different types of bags and colors that you guys are going to love. What I truly love about Sole Premise backpacks is that they hold my sneakers when I travel. So as you guys can see, I have my Travis Scott 4s as well as my Bread 1s inside of my backpack. I also have a compartment for my laptop, and I have more space inside of the bag as well. This backpack holds 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers. However, Sole Premise does make bags that hold even more sneakers as well. These bags are all TSA approved. You can carry them on the airplane. Sole Premise bags are very affordable. I'll have my link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check that out, and don't forget to use my discount code Danny Moore for 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. I absolutely love my Sole Premise backpacks. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. More family, I wanted to let you guys know that on October 16th, I will be at the Meadowlands Exposition Center here in New Jersey. So make sure you guys pull up, come through to this sneaker event. Got Soul is coming to New York and New Jersey. I'm very excited. I was there in Boston. I'm coming to New York, New Jersey. Well, I live in New Jersey, so I'm going. I can't wait to see you guys there. Make sure you guys pull up and go buy your tickets. More family, another big announcement coming soon here on the channel. I don't want to ruin it and tell you guys yet. I'm gonna tell you guys very, very soon. Big things coming for me here on the channel. I cannot wait. My life is changing. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Hit that thumbs up. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I regret not buying this Jordan 4 big time because this Jordan 4 has gone from like $1,400 in my size to like $2,000 now in my size. Even more expensive than they already were. This Air Jordan 4 is a must-have for me. I am looking to buy a pair, so if you own a pair in my size, 10.5 men, size 12W, in the Jordan 4 off-white sale, please DM me on Instagram. I regret not buying this sneaker big time. Holy crap. Resale has gone through the roof even more. They've skyrocketed even more in price. The sneaker sold out, had a ton of hype. Resale right off the jump in bigger sizes was about $1,500. It is now about $2,000. In bigger sizes, the bigger sizes even more than $2,000. This sneaker has gone to the moon in price, which I knew was going to happen, which is why I regret not buying this sneaker, because it's a must-have for my personal collection. I don't own a pair. I want them. It's a must-have. If I owned the off-white 4s, I would wear them, and when I wear my expensive sneakers, I always have drip grip on the bottom to protect the bottoms and keep the bottom nice and clean as I wear the sneaker. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. I'll have a link for you down below in the description, and use my discount code Danny10. The off-white Jordan 4, man, just a clean sneaker. That sail cream color is in. It's popping. It looks very similar to the laces here on the Travis Scott Fragments. The fact that it's a women's sneaker does not really matter too much because a lot of men want this sneaker in their size, which means they have to go up a size and a half difference. So if you're 10.5 men, you need that 12W. That's why resale is so high on the bigger sizes and why it went through the roof, why it skyrocketed even more. Every size has gone up at least like $200 or $300 in the Off-White 4s, but the bigger sizes have doubled that, like $500, $600 at least in price. They've gone up even more skyrocket high, which is just crazy, and it made the sneaker almost obtainable for me. I mean, I do want them, but I'm not gonna go buy a dead stock pair for $2,000. I'd rather buy a worn pair for a lot less. I believe this sneaker went up in price for a handful of reasons. First of all, it's an Off-White Jordan collab. That's first and foremost. It's gonna go up in price. Number two, Jordan 4. Guys, the Jordan 4s are becoming the new Jordan 1s. I keep saying it. It keeps happening on the resale market where these Jordan 4s are just taking off like a lot of our coveted Jordan 1s are doing. So guys, the Jordan 4 Off-White was doomed, destined to go up in price. The sale colorway, that color, just gonna pop. The fact that it's a women's sneaker does mean it's a little bit harder to get the bigger sizes because they make less of them. The fact that we were supposed to also get a men's colorway of the Jordan 4 Off-White that never wind up happening and has apparently been canceled. We're not getting the Off-White Bread 4s apparently. So because of that, resale also went up higher on the sale Off-White Jordan 4s. I really regret not buying this sneaker, man. It sucks. I really want a pair. Let me know down below in the comments if you own a pair, and let me know, more family, down below. Name a sneaker that you regret not buying because resale price now is just through the roof, way crazy high, and you do not want to spend that crazy money. The Off-White 4s are like top 10 of the list for me of sneakers that I regret not buying. What an instant regret not buying them, man. I really regret it. Ah, man, resale was so high, but it only went higher. Ah, man. That sucks sometimes, you know, when we get these sneaker releases that are so hard to get, so limited, and resell so high, but you know it's only gonna go up even higher. That sucks. That sucks. Something similar is gonna happen with these. Let me know what you guys think about the Off-White 4s down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because we have a Union 4 giveaway going on. That's right. Comment your Union 4 size down below in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.